morning, y'all. Today is Wednesday. I don't even know the date. Y'all, I am here at the collision center. The car is ready. It's ready to be picked up, but y'all, guess what? It still got to go back in the shop. There's an issue that happened before the accident that we had already knew was going to need attention even after the repairs were made. So I'm here to pick up the car. No, I'm actually here to sign off on the car so that we can have it towed to a mechanic shop. But at least the car is done. Listen, that accident happened on August the 8th, a month ago, and we just not getting the car back. But it is what it is. So just thought I would pick up my camera and say good morning to y'all. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you all. I did some shopping last week at on the Nordstrom's Rack website. They had their glitter rack sale. I don't know if you all ever shop when they have the glitter rack sale, but it's when they have their extra 25% off. Well, I did, and I bought a couple things. I don't think this is my whole order. I think I still have some things coming, but wanted to do an unboxing with you all. So these are my Gucci sunglasses. It comes in this nice blue velvet case, which is nice. Has a nice blue Gucci dust bag. And oh, these are nice. These are the black oversized Gucci shades. It has a very subtle Gucci emblem on one side and then really small Gucci logo on the other side. These are my Ferragamo sunglasses that I ordered. Ferragamo case. These also I purchased from Nordstrom's Rack. I think I got these for $79 they were on sale for. So yeah, very subtle branding. Next item is this Dkny butterfly or Firefly bracelet. I thought this was so cute, just so, you know, simple. All right, so I'm sure this is supposed to be adjustable. I hope this thing is adjustable because whose wrist is this? Whose wrist is this gonna fit on? But anyway, you see the idea. Very subtle, very cute. All right, y'all. This is going to be my lunch. This is a Southwest salmon burger. It is really, really good. They're $2.50 at Publix. I think they sell these in Trader Joe's in the frozen section, but I get mine, you know, not frozen. And what I do is I just season it up and I put it, I pan sear it, and then I put it in the oven to let it finish. And then I'll wrap it in lettuce so it's not giving me the extra calories from the bread. Add a slice of cheese, and then I'm good to go. This would be keto friendly if it were not for the corn and the salmon patty, but these are really good. So if you are a salmon lover like myself and want an alternative to regular red meat hamburgers, this is a good alternative. $2.50, and I guarantee you'll like it. All right, y'all, here's my salmon patty. It is done. So I'm gonna just get my leaves of lettuce and plate it up. Here you go. All right, y'all, so y'all know I have been fooling around with these mirrors for quite a while. Y'all remember me when I did the dry brush with the black acrylic paint? Well, it is time for me to pay the piper. It is time for me to go ahead and get these mirrors done because my husband is starting to complain about them sitting on the floor. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the mirror portion in this brown paper so that I can prepare to paint them black. All right, y'all, here's the before. Here's the after. This now is black. Good morning, Lux for Less family. Today is Saturday, September 11th. I am headed to a funeral right now. After the funeral, I am going to be going to Nordstrom's rack. I need to return a pair of Ferragamo sunglasses that I purchased. I bought them online and I loved them online. When they got here, I did not like them at all. So I'm going to return them to the store, and if they have them in the store, then I'm going to return them to the store, and if they have a pair in the store that I like, then I'm just going to exchange. If not, I'm just going to have them order me the blue pair that I want, that I saw online, and wait for those to come. Or if I see another pair in the store of a totally different brand, then I'll just, you know, exchange those out for those. And then after that, I'm going to the French pantry. I ordered my husband a whole pound cake, y'all, because the way he goes through those slices of cake, they don't even stand a chance when I bring them in the house. So I ordered him a whole cake. And then after that, I think I'm just going to come on home. So that's all I got planned for today. I hope you all have a good Saturday. Let us not forget those who we lost in the tragic events 20 years ago. Do y'all remember what y'all was doing 20 years ago? I do. I remember. But let us not forget. But I hope you all have a fabulous day. I'll talk to you guys later.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. With time.
Okay, y'all, so I'm done with Nordstrom's. I came to Nordstrom's rack, and I went in there to exchange those Ferragamo sunglasses. Y'all, Nordstrom's rack in Jacksonville is really trying to step up their game as far as what designers, you know, carrying more designers, because it used to be just dry going in there. So I went in there to exchange those shades, and I came out, instead of me coming out with one more, I came out with two more. So I have these FENTY shades right here. They're black FENTY shades, and you can see they look clear, but they're really not. They're darker up here and clear down here. They're branded with FENTY on the side. Y'all, love, absolutely love. And then I bought another pair. The second pair, I don't know if I'm going to be keeping those or not. They also have a very nice FENTY case. And these are very similar to the other ones. They just have a tortoise design. What y'all think? These are also branded on the side with FENTY. So these were $119.97, $120. And then I bought this necklace. It's just the initial K. Wait a minute. It actually goes like this. It's just the initial K. This was $20. It is sterling silver. There you go. That's better. And so I went in there to exchange a $79 or $80 pair of sunglasses and ended up spending $207. But I really like these shades. I'm going to get me something to eat now because I'm hungry, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm back home. Y'all, I'm tired. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. I have come home. I have changed my clothes. I'm getting ready to leave again because I have to do a favor for someone. They asked me yesterday, and I told them I couldn't do it until today. So I'm going to do it today. Luckily, it's not anything major. And then I may go get a pedicure, manicure, and then I'm going to come back home because it is simply too hot outside. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then was eating some grapes. Go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna come back home, and then I think I'm gonna be in for the night. I just want to check in with y'all. As you can see, I'm really not doing anything, but I'm gonna go because I'm rambling now. If I do anything else today that's worthy of y'all seeing and not boring y'all to death, then I'll bring it to y'all. If not, I'll check back in when I have something more interesting for you to see. Hope y'all have a great Saturday. Peace. Good morning, Lux for Less family. Today is Sunday, September 12th. I am headed to get my hair done. As you can see, I need it. Headed to get my hair done. Y'all look at my skin. It's looking all dewy. Headed to get my hair done. And then I think I want to get a mani-pedi. I didn't do it yesterday because I was tired and it was hot. My skin looks dewy like that because I put the FENTY hydrating moisturizer or whatever you call it on my face before I left, so it makes it look a little oily. I choose to say dewy, but anyway, I'll check in with you guys later. Hey y'all, today's Monday, September 13th. Listen, I just wanted to come on real quick and ask y'all, have y'all ever had ginger beer? I know they use ginger beer in Moscow mules. I've not had a Moscow. I've never had a Moscow mule, but I know ginger beer is used to make them. Y'all, this is not really beer. I'm guessing it's called beer in air quotes because maybe it fizzes. I don't know. And it is in a beer looking type bottle, but it's really like a soda. You can see right there it says soft drink. Yo, this stuff is so strong, hence the name ginger. I just wanted to come on and see if you all have ever had this. It actually has a pretty good taste, but it definitely needs some type of diluting agent, because baby, this thing right here, you could taste all of it. So you can see I've only drunk a little bit. It was only filled to about maybe right here when I bought it, but yeah. Hey y'all, I'm sorry y'all are at a weird angle. I am headed to the cleaners. I have to drop off a pair of pants and then a dress that I have. I don't need it cleaned, I just need them pressed, because ironing that dress would be a nightmare, and my husband wanted his pants creased and the material that they're made from. Anyway, I'm just dropping those off to be pressed. And then y'all, I'm headed to Best Buy after I drop that off. He does not know, but his anniversary/birthday gift came in. Y'all, I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'm just gonna show it to you when it's in its proper place. It's for his man cave, I will say that, and he has been wanting it for a while, so I finally got it and I'm going to pick it up. I'm pulling in the cleaners, so hold on one second, guys.
Friday, okay. Friday, Saturday.
Friday, can I get it by Friday?
And now we don't have a presser now. We don't have it. So I have to press that, but I'm not sure.
You think you might burn it?
Yeah, because she's sick. She's not here.
Oh. So you can't do it, is what you're saying?
I cannot press on this one. Maybe we can press that one.
Oh.
Yeah, very hard to me. I'm not professional.
Oh, the person who does it is in there.
Yeah, she's presser.
Oh.
Presser is not here.
Oh.
So I have to press myself. But I'm not sure they press good.
Okay.
Very hard to press them. So.
Well, just give me the pants back, man. Darn. Okay.
You got some scotch,
Oh. All right, thank you. That little spot was okay. Y'all heard him say that he couldn't press my clothes because the presser isn't here. The person who operates the press machine wasn't there, right? So my question to him in my head is this. If I would have said I wanted those clothes dry clean, isn't dry cleaning a part of pressing? So would you have told me that you couldn't do it then? Or you just didn't want to do it because there was no extra money involved in it for you? Like, what's the tea, sir? What's the tea? Y'all know I've been procrastinating about ordering this dinette set, mainly because I really just don't want to spend the money, but that space has got to be filled. I cannot keep it void of furniture. And he is on me today. As a matter of fact, he said today, we are looking for a dinette set today. So he has spoken, and I can't blame him. It's been like that for a while now. So that's what's on our agenda today. And I will check in with you guys later. All right, y'all, I made a quick run to the grocery store. Let me show you what I got. Ground chuck for spaghetti for dinner tomorrow. Southwest salmon burger. These are really good. Honeydew melons, blackberries. They were BOGO at Publix. Hint water that I have just about finished. Honeycrisp apple, lime, lemon, 2 Granny Smith apples. I'm going to eat that with peanut butter. Jarritos, sodas, mayo, heavy whipping cream, pepper, caramel macchiato, summer rolls, sparkling ice, Splenda, closures, decaf, 2 cans of tuna, large eggs, bagels for BOGO. I got the everything bagel for me and the blueberry bagel for my son. And that is it, guys. Hey guys, today is Thursday, so I wanted to come on real quick, y'all. I don't know if y'all saw my vlogs, several vlogs back, and I told y'all about how Neiman Marcus sent me a bunch of samples when I ordered my Baccarat. I finally decided to give this a try. Y'all, this stuff right here is so good. Now, I bought the FENTY starter kit, and the fat water came in the starter kit. This is okay, but this is so good. So I'm going to use this little sample bottle up, and I am going to order me some more. It's quite expensive, but I really love how in just a few days how it has my skin feeling. So if you can get a sample of this, definitely suggest you try it.